Napapansin mo rin ba na paigpit ng paigpit ang regulation sa motorsiklo? At habang nangyayari yan, the more that I am convinced that I bought the right bike. Why? Because this bike is practically a loophole in the system. Technically it's not, but let me tell you what I mean. Three years ago, I thought of buying a bike for my birthday. I'm not sure if that was a midlife crisis, but one thing is for sure, I want to try out something different before I become a senior citizen. After checking out several bikes, I chose the Victorino for three things. Timeless classic look, V-twin engine which was so unique for the price point, and of course, my budget. Note that I was a complete beginner that time, so these were the only things in my mind. Within 3 years of riding the Victorino and testing other bikes, I realized three things. Among all the other bikes I've tried, the Victorino provided me with the most visceral motorcycle experience. And when I say visceral, yun yung you can see, hear, and feel that you're operating a mechanical machine. Some friends even advised me to buy a scooter for my first bike because they're much forgiving. Matigas ang ulo ko. In fact, mas gusto ko ngayon may kaunting vibration when you rev the engine. Yun yung mga BMWs and Moto Guzzi, umaalog pa nga sila side to side when you rev the engine. Parang siga-siga. The next two are what makes this bike cool yet traffic enforcer proof. The side mirrors on the Victorino are bar end type. May mas maangas pa ba sa bar end side mirror sa classic bike? Ang problem lang, mainit sa mata yan ng mga traffic enforcers. While the size of most bar end side mirrors pass the LTO requirement, minsan hinuhuli pa rin pero hindi dahil sa size and instead dahil daw it's a form of handlebar modification. Now, whatever their excuses are to apprehend you, they can't. Because your mirrors are stock. Zero modification yan. Di ka pwedeng hulihin. And finally, to complete the package, is the sound. Pipe configuration coupled with the V-twin engine make the sound of this bike the sweetest among any bike in this category. Tunog pa lang ulam na. In fact, talo pa nitong maraming big bike sa sarap ng tunog. Let me emphasize that. Sarap ng tunog, hindi lakas ng tunog. Magkaiba yun. Gusto mo rin ba ng pogi motor na pogi din ang tunog at iwas huli? Take a hard look at the Victorino. If you've made it this far in this video, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Ride safe and God bless.